In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect with Shein's customer service to start your journey as an affiliate partner. Whether you're familiar with Shein or new to the platform, this guide will help you seamlessly initiate the process. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Shein's website directly through a browser. Simply open your preferred internet browser and enter Shein into the search bar. Once you see the Shein website in your results, go ahead and click on it to enter Shein's online store. It's a vibrant and trendy platform known for its fashion-forward offerings, and from here you can explore various deals and sections if you're curious. However, our main focus today is on becoming an affiliate partner. Now that you're on the Shein homepage, let's move to the next important step, locating the customer service section. This section is usually situated towards the bottom of the page, often labeled within the footer area alongside other useful links and company information. Sometimes it might be in a menu at the top or on the side of the page, depending on the website's layout. Click on Customer Service to proceed. Once you've entered the Customer Service section, you will find a variety of options designed to assist users with different needs. For our purpose, look for their chat service. Many modern sites, including Shein, offer a live chat feature where you can directly communicate with their support team. This is your gateway to speaking with a live agent. Simply initiate a chat, and when connected, clearly express your interest in becoming an affiliate partner with Shein. It's always a good idea to have a brief introduction prepared. Mention your interest in collaboration and any relevant experience that might make you a great fit for their affiliate program. The friendly support team should guide you through the next steps, possibly providing you with further resources or directing you to their affiliate management team. With these steps completed, you've essentially set the wheels in motion for your affiliate partnership with Shein. The conversation you have with their support team is crucial, so ensure to take notes if they provide any URLs, forms, or additional tasks for you to carry forward. Keep in mind that response times can vary, and depending on the support's availability, there might be a short wait. And there you have it. Within a few straightforward steps, you've reached out to Shein's customer support, expressed your interest in becoming an affiliate partner, and begun what could be an exciting new avenue for collaboration. Hopefully this guide has been helpful and clear. Stay patient, attentive, and be ready to embrace any opportunities that come your way through the Shein affiliate program. Thank you for joining us in this adventure, and good luck with your new partnership.